Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with OnX Hunt for land scouting near investment sites, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type OnX Hunt and hit enter. Look for the official OnX Hunt website in the search results and click on it. Once on the home page, locate the sign up button. Click on the sign up button to start the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your first name in the designated field. Next, enter your last name in the appropriate box. Provide a valid email address where you can receive confirmation. Create a strong password that meets the required guidelines. Confirm your password by entering it again in the next field. Select your state from the drop-down menu. If applicable, indicate your country by choosing it from the options available. Review the terms of service and privacy policy by clicking on the provided links. Check the box to agree to the terms of service. After completing the form, click on the Create Account button. Upon submitting your information, check your email for a verification message. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Return to the OnX Hunt website. Log in using your newly created email and password. Once logged in, explore the features available on the platform. Use the search bar to find investment sites or areas of interest. Familiarize yourself with the mapping tools available for land scouting. You may choose to download the OnX Hunt app for additional features. Follow the prompts to install the app on your device. Open the app and log in with your account credentials. Explore options for offline maps for areas without internet access. Utilize the layering features to assess property boundaries and terrain. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.